soon we will splinter. What will be no more. It'll be strange to face a day which hasn't started with you lying next to me. But I'll get used to it, I'm sure. I don't have a choice because it's time for me to go. And so I leave your side. The light in your eyes has died, and it comes as no surprise as we say